Welcome to this video on 7 ways on how to fix lower back pain. Are you tired of dealing with nagging lower back pain? You're not alone. Lower back pain is a common ailment that affects millions of people, but the good news is that it can be fixed. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the causes of lower back pain and explore some of the most effective ways to alleviate it. Number 1. Rest and ice or heat therapy. Rest and ice or heat therapy are simple yet powerful techniques for reducing lower back pain. When it comes to rest, it allows your body the time it needs to heal and recover from the injury or strain that's causing the pain. By taking a break from activities that are causing the pain, you can give your body the chance to recover, minimizing the risk of further injury. Ice and heat therapy are also incredibly effective in treating lower back pain. Ice is great for reducing inflammation and numbing the area to reduce pain, while heat can help to relax muscles and increase blood flow to the affected area. Ice is typically used in the first 48 to 72 hours after an injury to reduce inflammation, while heat is used after that period to increase blood flow and relax muscles. When used together, rest and ice or heat therapy can be a powerful combination for treating lower back pain. And the best part is that you can do it at home, whenever you feel the pain, without any need for a professional. Number 2. Exercise. Exercise is like a magic potion when it comes to fixing lower back pain. It can seem counterintuitive to exercise when you're in pain, but regular physical activity is one of the best ways to alleviate lower back pain. Think of your back muscles like rubber bands. If they are tight and stiff, they are more prone to injury. Regular exercise can help to stretch and strengthen these muscles, making them more flexible and less prone to injury. Stretching exercises, such as yoga or Pilates, can help to improve flexibility and reduce muscle tension, while strengthening exercises, such as weightlifting or core exercises, can help to support the back and improve overall function. Exercise not only helps with the physical aspect of back pain, but it also has a positive impact on mental health. Regular exercise has been proven to release endorphins, which are the body's natural painkillers. It also helps to improve mood and reduce stress, which can contribute to lower back pain. Number 3. Physical therapy. Physical therapy is like having a personal trainer for your back. It's a highly effective way to alleviate lower back pain and improve overall function. One of the most powerful techniques in physical therapy is manual therapy. It's like a deep tissue massage for your back. It's not just a temporary fix, but it can also help to prevent future injuries, giving you the tools to take control of your pain and improve your overall function. Number 4. Medications. Medications can be an effective way to alleviate lower back pain in the short term. There are several types of medications that can be used to treat lower back pain, including over-the-counter pain relievers such as ibuprofen and acetaminophen, and prescription medications such as muscle relaxants and opioids. They work by blocking the production of certain chemicals in the body that cause pain and inflammation. They are considered safe to use for most people, but it's important to follow the recommended dosage and not to use them for prolonged periods of time. Prescription medications, such as muscle relaxants and opioids, can be more potent and are typically prescribed for more severe cases of lower back pain. These medications should be used with caution, as they can have side effects and can be addictive. It's important to note that medications should be used in conjunction with other forms of treatment such as exercise, physical therapy, and ice or heat therapy. Number 5. Chiropractic care or massage. Chiropractic care and massage are both forms of alternative therapy that can be effective in treating lower back pain. Chiropractic care is a form of manual therapy that involves the use of precise adjustments to the spine and other joints in the body. Massage therapy is another form of manual therapy that can be effective in treating lower back pain. Both chiropractic care and massage therapy can be effective in treating lower back pain. They work by releasing tension, increasing blood flow, and realigning the spine. Both therapies can be effective in treating lower back pain, but it's important to consult a professional to determine which one is the best for your individual needs. Number 6. Acupuncture. This alternative therapy uses thin needles inserted into specific points on the body to promote healing and reduce pain. Acupuncture is an ancient form of alternative medicine that has been used to treat a wide variety of health conditions, including lower back pain. Acupuncture can be effective in treating lower back pain by reducing muscle tension and inflammation. and by promoting the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. The procedure is generally considered safe and has few side effects. Number 7. Surgery. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to repair a herniated disc or other underlying condition. Surgery is typically a last resort for treating lower back pain and is only recommended for certain conditions that are causing the pain and have not responded to other forms of treatment. Some common conditions that may require surgery include herniated or ruptured discs, spinal stenosis, and scoliosis. It's important to note that surgery is a major procedure and carries certain risks such as infection, bleeding, and nerve damage. It also requires a recovery period, and the results may not be immediate. It can take months for the patient to feel the full benefits of the surgery. Surgery should be considered a last resort for treating lower back pain, and it's important to consult with a doctor and a specialist in spine surgery to determine if it's appropriate for your condition and if other forms of treatment have been exhausted. Congratulations! You made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button for more tips on lower back pain. Make sure to click the link in the description for a proven way to get rid of all kinds of lower back pain for good. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.